Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing this pretty face, make sure you hit that subscription button down below, and for those who haven't turned on their notification bell, it's time you do. So each and every time I post a video, you may be notified. And hope you guys have been fine. I know I haven't posted for a while, but finally it's a good day. And today you can just see by the background huku nyuma, you can see, yes, we're in the kitchen. So today we're doing some good recipe, so take note. A simple recipe that will only take less time. It's a breakfast meal. We're going to do some good sausage rolls with bread. So yeah, so that's my apology to you. This video is my apology, so you better accept it. Yes. So let's get, wait, you guys haven't seen my nails. You see the way how cute they look like. At a very affordable price, by the way, so make sure you check them out. Yes, so let's get into the video. I'm so excited, by the way, miss. Yes. So these are our ingredients for today. I am having this bread over here, some breadcrumbs, margarine, and oil, some 2 eggs, and my sausages. I love chicken sausages, by the way, so I'll be making a few because I'm alone. So I'll be making a few. So yes, so let's get into the cooking. And over here I've already set my pan, but still not hot. So as you can see, I'm really struggling opening up that bread and taking out the slices that we'll be preparing for today. And as I was doing that, I realized one big slice of bread, which reminded me of high school, them days. So I got, yes, 3 slices of bread, and that's what we'll be working on. So after deep frying our sausages, yes, now we are going to make our bread. So with our bread, first of all, we have to cut these sides. We have to remove these sides. So after rolling my sausages, I dip them into the eggs, slowly turning them. Then into the breadcrumbs. This is how easy it is. So after this, we are going to dip them into the oil for like some minutes. Yes. So I'm going to use the oil that I used while cooking the sausages. I am really trying to multitask, holding the camera and cooking. So I'm just giving them some couple of minutes, like 2 or 3, then they'll be ready. So guys, our sausage rolls are ready and they look so yummy. Can you see them? Yes, I can't wait to try them. Let me try them with you. Okay. So hot. So guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I've reminded you. Yes, so subscribe, comment down below. Yes, and make sure you try this recipe at home. Yes. Bye guys.